So yesterday we had already done regulation number 16. Now a quick look at regulation number 16 once again. Now, under regulation number 16, the title itself says suspension of license. Now, just going from the title, tell me whether any action can be taken under this regulation against G card holder. No text, only from the title.
No.
But this is suspension of
License.
right. And G card is
ID card.
that is not a license. That is only an identity card. So no action can be taken under regulation number 16 against G card or H card holder. Is that clear? Okay. Now this is notwithstanding anything contained in regulation number 14. Regulation 14 is related to what? What does it relate to?
Revocation of license.
Revocation, right? So when the revocation can take place?
Under 6 categories, like when he is adjudicated as insolvent,
Failure to comply with any of the provisions, rules, regulations, directions, etc., plus either insolvent or unsound mind,
regulations,
or convicted for an offense involving moral turpitude or otherwise. That is revocation, right? This is suspension. What are the difference between revocation and suspension?
Revocations cannot be taken back. That is permanent. Revocation is permanent.
Correct.
Suspension
is temporary. Is permanent. There is no way out given under these regulations for revival of a license which has been revoked either under regulation 8A or under regulation number 14. No procedure given for the revival. Okay, but suspension, or you can say suspension means it is a temporary prohibition on the customs broker to act as a customs broker. So that is something temporary, subject to further proceedings. So this says the PCC or CC in appropriate cases where immediate action isn't required. So I give you an explanation for this also, where immediate action is required means without giving any notice, without giving any opportunity of being heard, directly suspension is done. Right? Because immediate action is needed. Suspend the license of a customs broker where an inquiry against such customs broker is pending or contemplated. So
what is contemplated, sir? What is the exact meaning of
proposed? Expected.
Okay.
Right? Contemplated means this is already in the pipeline. It is expected. And something serious has been done.
Okay.
Okay. And the suspension may not be from all the custom stations. This may be from one or more or some specified number of custom stations. So he may be working at 20 custom stations, but this suspension may be for 4 or 5 or 6 or maybe one custom station. Okay. Now, whenever there is a suspension, what is required is that first of all, when it is when immediate action is needed, suspension has been done without giving a notice, without taking an without giving opportunity of being heard. But it is affecting the entire business of the license holder. Right. So what is said in regulation number 2, where a license is suspended, the PCC or CC, as the case may be, shall, within 15 days from the date of such suspension, give an opportunity of hearing to the customs broker whose license is suspended and may pass such an order as it deems fit for revoking or suspension or continue, as the case may be, within 15 days from the date granted to the custom broker. What does it mean? What does it say? First of all, under regulation number 16, inquiry against customs broker is pending or what is the next word?
Contemplated.
Contemplated. Okay. And the next thing is immediate action is necessary. These are very, very important criteria, because when the matter goes for the litigation or the appeal, the officers are called for giving explanation. What was the situation like this when the action has been taken? Okay. In this case, first of all, suspension of license for all or specified customs stations. Underline this. Either all or specified. Okay. In this till now, no notice and no hearing. No notice and no hearing. Okay. After that, there is hearing. Then opportunity of hearing may be given or shall be given.
Shall be given.
Why shall?
May be given. May be given.
No, it is mandatory.
Shall be given.
Shall be given.
Shall be given. Okay. Shall be given. Right? Highlight this. Within
15 days.
15 days since
The date of suspension.
suspension. Okay. Now the question is there any authority who can extend the time of 15 days to more than 15 days?
It is not mentioned anywhere.
No.
Gone through all the rules or all the regulations?
Particular
Relaxation
16.
or when the customs broker is unable to comply. It doesn't say that any other which the customs has to do. It doesn't give relaxation for that.
21st regulation.
Power to relax.
Yes, power to relax.
Where it is.
So
21st.
suspension is not more than 30 days.
Now coming to that will be little later. This is power to relax. Very important provision, no? Very important provision. This says where an applicant, who's applicant under these regulations? Officer cannot be an applicant. ACDC
Customs broker.
right? No, applicant for exam. So this may be either for G card or F card or any other applicant. right? Now, say for example, somebody who has already passed exam under regulation number 6, he has also passed the Viva and he fails to make the payment within 2 months after the declaration of result of Viva. What happens? Is he a custom broker?
No.
Right.
No. He has to pay within 2 months. Yes.
Right. He is only an applicant. Right. Listen to this very carefully. This is regulation number 21, very powerful regulation. So either applicant or a customs broker or NESIN, 3 people can make an application for relaxation under regulation number 21. Only 3. Right? Whether G card holder can make an application here? Cannot. H card holder can make an application? No. As an applicant, they can.
To watch full video, join the regular online batch Call Tayal Institute.